How's it going, guys? Phil here, and this is a review for the Banish Kit 3.0. Thank you to Banish for sending me this product for free to try. And feel free to skip ahead if you just want to see my before and after photos. As someone who had pretty severe acne from my teenage years through my 20s, I have a number of scars, dark spots, and enlarged pores as a result. The skin on my face is raised and thick in some areas, with deeper pitted scars in others, while the sides of my nose appear rough and bumpy. I also have fairly deep furrows in my brow and across my forehead that I hope the microneedling can help reduce. And as you can see across my chin line, there's plenty of hyperpigmentation here as well. With the Banish 3.0 kit, you'll receive a zippered clear front storage bag, the microneedling stamp tool, and a bottle of Banish serum for dark spot correction, made with pure, high-grade vitamin C and E. Its other ingredients include vegetable glycerin, water, witch hazel, ferulic acid, a powerful antioxidant, rose extract and oil, jojoba oil, and sodium benzoate and benzoic acid as preservatives. It is vegan, paraben-free, and the bottle is black so that light cannot degrade the serum inside. It comes with a 1 milliliter dropper cap, and squeezing the bulb on top draws in enough serum for 1 to 2 applications. When unboxing the stamp tool, there is a use diagram on the left, outlining where you can use the tool and the estimated life of each needle head based on the area of coverage and skin toughness. So for small areas with thinner skin, like your face, you can use each head 3 to 8 times depending on coverage, but for thicker skin like on your body or scalp, only 1 to 3 times. 2 needle heads were included with my kit, and the microneedling stamp handle. The backside of the needle heads have a twist-to-lock connector that matches the end of the stamper. Simply connect the 2 pieces and twist the head clockwise to lock in place. The tool itself is solid but lightweight at just 2 ounces or 60 grams. The plastic cap protects the 85 half-millimeter length gold-plated titanium needles. The diameter of each needle is thinner than a human hair, ensuring that the microchannels that it creates in your skin are safe and help promote faster healing and boost collagen production. The cap also doubles as a well to hold 70 to 90% isopropyl alcohol to sanitize the tool before and after each use. The fill line on the cap indicates the level required for the alcohol to contact the needles for effective sterilization. And this is just rubbing alcohol that you can get at any pharmacy, and you'll want to fill just up to the fill line, then place the stamp back into the cap. Let it sit for 5 minutes, then remove the stamp and allow it to air dry for several minutes before use. While the tool is drying after sanitizing, you'll want to wash your face or area of treatment with a mild cleanser. Rinse well, and pat dry with a clean towel. Then you just start stamping by pressing the tool firmly but gently into the skin over the area that you're treating. Ensure that you are adjusting the position of the tool each time you stamp, and you can stamp up to 3 times in each area. You'll also want to avoid any active acne, rashes, or injured skin. The needles don't hurt at all during use, and you'll feel a slight painless prick at each press. Stamping my entire face took only 3 minutes, with slow, intentional application to ensure that I did not drag or press the tool in at an angle. After use, place the tool back into its cap, and you can reuse the same alcohol to disinfect it for a few minutes. After treatment, you can apply the serum to help your skin retain moisture, and you may experience a bit of redness or a slight tingling that can intensify when applying any product. But overall, the sensation is quite mild and typically subsides within an hour after treatment. You'll want to use a gentle moisturizer and sunscreen while avoiding harsh treatments and products for several days afterward, as your skin will be more sensitive as it recovers. The Banish serum is great for this because it's light, non-greasy, and doesn't have a fragrance. It's been 8 months since I started using the Banish 3.0 microneedling stamp, and there is a noticeable difference in my skin. For reference, I use the stamp once every 2 weeks for a total of 16 sessions, changing the needle head after the first 8 sessions. Based on these before and after photos taken in September of 2025 and May of 2026 respectively, I can see a consistent improvement in each before and after pair. The photos were taken around the same time of day, without prior cleansing, and I have not applied any skincare products in either photo set. After using the Banish consistently for months, my skin tone has become more even, with a decrease in overall redness and dryness. My skin feels naturally more hydrated, without using any lotion or moisturizer, giving my skin's surface a smoother, more luminous appearance. Fine lines, which were starting to become more apparent after I turned 40, have been visibly reduced, especially on the forehead and around the eyes. While each change on its own is not dramatic, the improvements are cumulatively visible, resulting in an overall healthier, clearer, and more balanced complexion, which I attribute directly to this change in my facial care routine, as prior to this, I didn't really have one. Overall, I'm super happy and impressed with the results from using the Banish 3.0, and I believe it can produce visible results for folks looking to improve the smoothness and evenness of their complexion while reducing the appearance of acne scars, dark spots, and fine lines. If you're interested in trying it out for yourself, you can order it directly from Banish at banish.com/Phil, which I'll link in the description below. And don't forget to use my exclusive discount code PHIL, spelled PHIL, for $5 off any order over $50. I hope you enjoyed this review. You can ask me any questions in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join me next time.